Hey everybody, I'm Patam,
I'm Özden.
and if you guys remember, we're the team making the Halo Smart Mirror. This is our second recorded demo, and there's going to be some overlap between our last one that we recorded and this one to catch you up to guys up to speed because I'm not sure if it was actually shared. The first thing you'll be seeing is the hardware design, and Özden will explain that.
Well, our completed design is the same as last time. However, we are unable to source glass at this time. We will try our best to get it, but it is really dependent on how fast this situation resolves. So, Amazon officially cut off non-essential deliveries as well. So, we will see what happens with time.
Right, so we just don't have the glass, which makes it not a mirror, and instead of being a mirror, it becomes a smart display that just has useful information for you. um, yeah, but we hope to get the glass because it would make this project so much more cool, and I was very excited to build it. And unfortunately, if it doesn't get better, we can't get the glass. We were gonna pick it up originally, but if it doesn't get better, then we can't get it, and I will have to put that part of the project on hold. These are the features that we talked about in our last video. We'd like to keep most of these features, and we have integrated Spotify Music, weather, calendar, touch controls. Instead of using Google Assistant, now we have Alexa integrated with a custom hot words wake word. So we trained a model, and if we say Halo, the mirror will turn on, and we can interact, get some basic data that your smart speaker can do. Now Halo Mirror can do it as well. However, we're now working on making sure that actual things in the mirror itself, like the calendar, the music player, are controllable by voice rather than just getting Halo, what's the weather? Halo, what's on my calendar tomorrow? I want to say Halo, play Spotify. Halo, take a picture, something like that. So like literally specific hardware, specific controlling. That's what we're working on, but it's already integrated with Alexa for now. Light control may be taken out. Although that was the reason behind the Halo name, because there was originally going to be a Halo light around it. But given that we can't get our parts, this might be impossible to do. But the majority of the IoT component, the sensing and the retrieving and displaying information, is still there. This is a picture of the hardware. We showed this one last time too. This has changed. Now this frame is on the TV in my room, and there's a webcam on top for facial recognition and audio detection.
So I'm gonna mention about what we did in that time interval and what is our future plans. So we implemented open source modules that fit our features, and also right now we have a working touchable mirror interface. We will do setup and modify existing facial recognition modules to save user data securely.
Right, so you'll get a better look at this when we show the video demo of interacting with the mirror at the end. Our 4-week plan as of now, this is, we want to spend our first week making sure that every single module that we could find online has been customized and integrated correctly and follows our design language and works as one cohesive package in the mirror will display, instead of it being separate components, because in reality these things were developed, this open source community has a lot of people and is developed by a lot of different people, so the design language doesn't fit and some things don't operate correctly with each other. So we have to go into the source code, alter that, change the styling, change how they're interacting with each other to get the correct functionality. Then our second week will zone in on the facial recognition module customization. That's one of the largest modules we have to code ourselves. Although people have shown how to use OpenCV to recognize the face before, the profiling and distributing that data across different modules, like having your own Spotify account when you're looking at the mirror versus when someone else is on in front of the mirror, or having your own calendar data, that hasn't been done yet. And that's going to take a lot of work, and we're dedicating a whole week for that module specifically. Week 3, we're gonna take a look back at the hardware. If the situation gets better, if not, the hardware will be the same. But what I'll do is take that TV and we'll make it much more slim by taking it out of the frame and making sure the panel is out. And we'll clean up any UI UX design aesthetically. And week 4 is like just last minute stuff. Most of it will probably be done. Most of the IoT part of the mirror will be done. It's just to clean up, make it look nice. And if we can somehow get the glass, if the curve is flattened enough by that time, then and if we're allowed to go pick up stuff, then we'll get the glass if we can somehow and put it together. However, it doesn't look very likely so far. So here's the demo. It's just gonna cut to a video of me because Ozden can't join me in this room. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions about what we're doing or any recommendations for us, you can feel free to leave a comment below. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you.
All right, let's get this thing started. So first I'm gonna play some music. What should I play? Let's just play this. Alright, so if you guys are familiar with Spotify, you know that you can cast to devices on your network. And as you can see, Halo Mirror is the 4th one. Let me turn on the volume. Okay, cool. So let's try casting it to Halo Mirror. And there we go. I'm gonna control the volume from this. And the volume goes up. So here's the Halo Mirror. On the top left, we'll see the date, the time, and my calendar. Then in the top middle, there's update notifications. This is not something we built, but it's built into the Magic Mirror open source framework. So we're using a Spotify module, and it's saying that there's an update available for this module. On the top right, we've changed the weather and the temperature, so we can see in a minimalist form if it's cloudy or not. Right now it's cloudy and it's 43 degrees. Then in the middle, you'll see New York Times headlines. Now this music is getting a little loud. I'm gonna turn it off. This is a test of our touch. It's not calibrated, so it won't work for the first few times. Okay. It took about 6 taps. Very slow. And that's because of this. Right now, our design is only taped. I just taped it. I don't know if you can see. Just taped everything. And see on the top, it's not aligned. But when we do our final hardware configuration, it will be aligned. But it was just a test to see if it works, and it does work for the most part. All those buttons actually on the Spotify player, they all work. Oops, sorry. All those buttons work. Now I'm going to show you voice control. It's disabled right now, so I'm going to go enable it, and I'll show you how my development environment works. So Ozden and I have been sharing code over the internet, and I have the final configuration. Right now, I'm going to enable the Alexa module. As soon as I hit save, it just rebooted Magic Mirror by itself. And let's see it come on. Once it's booted, let's try using the feature. Halo, where's my Amazon package?
I didn't find any open orders for Pitome.
That's not how you say my name, but I don't have any orders. But you can see Alexa integration is there. Halo, what's the weather like?
Currently, in Binghamton it's 43 degrees Fahrenheit with showers. You can expect more of the same tonight, with a low of 36 degrees.
So that's it for now. We'll have a lot more stuff coming, and hopefully by the next demo, we'll be able to show you a really cool project. Thanks for watching.